Welcome to the CEO's Wingwoman podcast. This is a micro episode packed with quick, binge-worthy insights on building a bulletproof business, an iconic brand, and magnetic leadership skills. No fluff, just real strategies you can use right now. Let's dive in. When it comes to putting together a strategy, one of the first things that you can do is spend some time thinking about what your ultimate business aim is. And that is what we would call developing your vision statement. Your vision statement is meant to be your 10-year big, lofty goal. It is not meant to be something that you're going to achieve next week, next year, or even a couple of years from now. So you want it to be far out enough in the future that it's going to keep you inspired, big enough that it's going to scare you a little bit. You don't want it to be something that's not scary or you think you can achieve next year. And you want it to be future-centric. So one of the things that I see when it comes to a vision statement is that it's not big picture, it's not far enough in the future, and often it's written in the present moment. So if you don't have a vision statement right now that is 10 years in the future, aspirational, a little bit scary, and something that will excite you, I encourage you to map out some time in your calendar and commit to sitting down and really deeply thinking about what it is that you want so you can start to put the bones of a winning strategy together for your business. That's your power move for today. If today's episode resonated with you, please share this with a CEO who needs it and send me a DM on Instagram to connect at oliviajenkins.co. I'll see you in the next episode.